I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted Zangi account. So to get started, all you have to do is just go to any browser or in your phone or in your PC. And then from there, all you have to do is type in or search in Zangi contact. And then once you're gone into Zangi contact, all you have to do is press the first link right here. And then on the left side, all you have to do is just type in on the get in contact with us. So from here, all you have to do is just type in your name, your company, which is optional, your email, and then your message to the contact support. So from here, just gonna input all necessary details such as name and your email. And then from there, all you have to do in your message, you need to specify what you want. So from here, I'm gonna make sure that I want to recover my account for deleted Zangi account. And then once you're done with that, you have to select a optional special email or just your direct mail. And then from there, you just have to the bottom and then click on I'm not a robot. And then from here, all you have to do is just press all the necessary information or the details that they needed for the captcha. And then once you're done with that, all you have to do is just click on verify and then click on submit in the bottom pane. So you have to scroll down and then click on send. So that's it. They will email you the instructions how to recover your account, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you recover your deleted account in Zangi.